Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm not down in the basement. I'm trying to look at the suspension on the 2000 model Celica. The bushings is the lower control arm, some call it. I call it A arm. We have knocking noises in the suspension. I got a set of bushings, so I have to change that one. This one actually looks good. Can't see any play whatsoever in that, but this bushings seems a little tired. My problem now is how to get it out, because it's in the whole system here. Yeah, it's a new day here. I was fighting with this and talked to a colleague that is good on cars, that I said I can burn out the rubber and cut off the metallic part here. And then I suddenly was thinking, I have to check the new part. And the new bushing that's in here has no metallic. And this come with an instruction. And that told me that I should not take out the metallic plate. I should keep it. So then I have to rework the whole system here. Yeah, sometimes it could be good to just write the instructions when something comes with it. Yeah, okay, maybe this make it easier. You have to see. Yeah, different setup. Trying to pressure out the metallic in the bottom first. And the longer screw here. Have to see. This could be very interesting. There. Now I see it start to move over here. Actually, it moved out. This is going to work. There. That come a lot longer. This I can take with me out and try to take it out. But I have one more. I can just do the other one right away. Hitting all kinds of things. There. Again. Up. Put on the bottom. Starting to screw in the screw. Also trying to push it down there. There. Keeping it back up here. yeah, I have to try a different solution to get this shit off. I'm just trying to use the knife to get rid of as much rubber as possible. I should have done the same on the other side before I started to drag this in. Yeah, then I try to clean off a little more of that. Should we try again? Can just see. Should I have this one a little bigger then, so I could have stand on the outside of the metallic here. Now I have put in a long system. Actually, this one is stopping under here. Since I was taking out cutting off the rubber end on the back here, seems like things actually have started moving. Actually, it gave up. I can start with the next one. Then I have to cut off the rubber part first and start from there. Yeah, then I'm found out I need to cut away this rubber. Yeah, then we start with the next one. Put on some more oil in here now, and yeah, hoping, to be honest, I'm hoping this one go even easier than the other one. At least it start moving. I saw on the other one also, when I come to a point, the rubber start to move, and after that, ending up going slow. That takes a few breaks, and then start to be able to move it a little again. It's more or less like the rubber is starting to move and give after a little. I'm not sure. At least I'm just going on, trying to get it out. It's like I'm come out. There. There. Now I'm able to get out the rubber bushing. That was a tiresome job. Another bushing here. That was coming out easier than on the other side. So now I'm going to clean up the whole system and paint it before tomorrow I can see if I put in new bushings. Maybe I need to drag them into. I'm not sure. You have to see. They're strong enough. They're going to hold like that, but they're not looking nice, and I have to do more cleanup inside here on both sides. It's filled up with shit. I have to get some other thing to set on the machine to clean it up. Yeah, just a quick update here. When I'm sitting in here and going to take down the video from today's hard stressing with these parts and seeing how rusty everything is and trying to paint and everything. If you are living in a place where you don't have the rust problem we have in Norway, yeah, I can understand you could rework and fix up things like this. Here, because of the rust and all the shit, it's so much work, and to get it very nice you have to sandblaster it, you have to paint it, you have to using so much time, so much parts, so much tools just to fix it. For me is haven't I got those parts with the set to shift the rubber parts here, would have been no point whatsoever to do this job. I would have much better just bought the new arms complete with the bushings. Yeah, it's like I was working with the brakes on the Camry in a video here now. Because of the climate in Norway and all the rust and all the shit, things get ruined in a different way than many other places in the world that don't put so much salt in the roads. So we have to give up a lot of parts a long time before a lot of you other guys. So maybe I'm a little jealous. Not just a little, I'm a lot of jealous. I'm seeing videos of people fixing up their cars. They can just screw out the screw. Sometimes they have a little problem with the rust on a screw. Here, every time is a lot of problem. Yeah, I have to say it. Now I start painting the parts here. I have to clean out more tomorrow if I have time and my back is not shot. I'm going to try to put in new bushings. So I hope you come back. Yeah, please put a like, help me, subscribe to the channel, put comments. Yeah, thank you.